Here I have Samsung Galaxy On7 and let me show you how to enable backup option on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the list of all applications. Here you have to find and select the settings, scroll down and select the cloud and accounts. Tap backup and restore, and here you can enable Samsung backup or Google backup. In my case, let me use Google backup. So let's enable backup my data, and then you need to add the backup account. So let's choose on backup account. If you have added some Google accounts, you can use them. If not, let's choose add account right here. So let's wait a few seconds. And here you need to add your Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create an account right here, or you can use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Sorry, let me just use the existing Google account. Let's tap next right here. Now it's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, here you have to choose next. Tap accept to terms of service and privacy policy. And here you can enable the automatically backup to Google Drive. Let me leave it enabled. Let's choose next right here. And that's it. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.